What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Bass Union. We're on Lake Oroville. Got a special trip planned with my brother. It's going to be an overcast day. Might even get some wind, some rain, but ready to catch a ton of fish and show you guys a good time. So if you guys haven't launched here, this is the spillway. They just opened this up last week. So you got two docks, dock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lanes. Ton of access out here between this, Loafer Creek, Lime Saddle. You guys want to get out and catch some fish? Now is the time to do it. We're in May, fish are shallow and they're chewing. For you guys that don't know, I just picked up a new to me Ranger. Got an 09 Z520. So right now I'm in the middle of getting this boat worked on, getting the trailer serviced right now, and once that's done, I'm gonna end up swapping my graphs, my electronics, motors. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work to this boat to get this boat ready to guide on and do tournaments. And once that's all finished, not sure how long it's gonna take me. It might take me a month, it might take me a few months. But once it's done, the old girl, the old Triton, she's gonna be for sale. I'm gonna miss her. I've had this boat for 6 years or so now, and she's been good to me. So it's gonna be a sad day when I have to see her drive off. But yeah, waiting for my brother to get back on the boat, and we'll be catching some fish. You got Josh? What's up? You ready to go fishing today?
I'm gonna watch you fish.
You gonna watch me fish? So it's been a long time coming. We always talk about getting out and doing some fishing, but this guy's always so busy out of town working. So it's gonna be nice to get him on the boat and see if we can get him on some fish today. So you got your 1 day pass?
Yeah, I got 1 day pass.
So let's go catch some fish. Every time you pop it like that, you're making that bait do that action I was telling you about. It darts back and forth. So you can actually get bites doing that too. So you got a 1/4 ounce. That's the heaviest one I'm making.
Oh yeah.
So it's easy, it falls faster. This is the lightest one, 16th. So it falls really slow. So you already got one?
Already?
That might drag a little bit. Oh, got a scrapper.
Dang. You recording?
Yeah. This one hit it on the fall.
Wow.
Just a little spotted bass.
Got one?
You got one?
Yeah, I let go.
See, you got it where you want them though. Little pink, little morning dawn color rover worm with a 16th ounce Bass Union weedless darter head. Almost had a double. You still there? Ooh, that's a good one.
He's fighting hard.
You got a buddy. So about right there. Stop reeling. I'll flip it in the boat.
Look at that.
Nice. That's your first fish of 2022, huh?
Yeah.
Got him on that weedless darter head. He's throwing a 1/4 ounce. Let him get to the bottom real fast so you could feel it. But yeah, try to hold that thing.
Where's the spikes? Don't set me up.
Feel that? It's like sandpaper. Feel his teeth.
Hey.
Not no hurt.
Okay.
His spikes are like right here.
Okay,
You
so
don't want to poke these
where are you
things.
holding?
That'll bust off in you and catch you. Right here, just like that. Try it. Good job, man.
There we go.
What do you think?
It's nice. You got a bigger one.
You had to work for it. You missed like 6 fish in a row.
Yeah.
But see how bright his eyes are?
Yeah, he's bright.
Real warm too.
Healthy fish.
Yeah. A lot of them are wanting to spawn right now. So they're up shallow. But just keep it going, catch some more. Maybe a snag. That's a fish. This is a fish.
go. Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
Fish picked up off the bottom. Not bad. Catch 100 of these. You had it though. Switch it up to that 3/16, get a little faster fall, get it closer to the bottom.
Good big fish.
Not bad. Yeah. You catch, I mean, in a good day, 50, 60 of these things. You know, they're just a lot of fun.
50, 60?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Catch a bunch of them. Here's that 3/16, a little heavier. It's right there. There we go. He was right on the bank.
Little.
Yeah, little. A lot of small fish. And then every once in a while you'll catch a decent one, like a 2 or something. But just keep covering water. Real quick tip for you guys, throw on the weedless darter heads. Some of these I've been throwing on these rover worms a lot. Since my bait has a flat surface, if you cut the head, just nip it off instead of having a little gap here with that rounded head. It's nice and flush, and I think it looks really, really good. There you go, reel. Pop it. There you go. Just keep reeling. Just keep pressure. There you go. About right there. Stop reeling. Flip it in the boat now. There you go. There you go.
Okay, a little bit.
Oh.
Sucker.
This is going to be funny watching him grab it.
Grab the rod. I don't want it to fall. Okay.
Right there. You grab his lip. There. Oh. Get a grip on him. It's just a big man with a little fish.
Eat them raw right now for that.
Turn them into sushi.
Huh?
Turn them into sushi.
Huh?
Sushi.
Yeah.
There you go. You see how shallow you are? It's not going to take long for you to sink.
Oh, got one.
Like that?
Don't like it. That was rock.
I got one. Oh, on the fall. On the fall. My line just started taking off. Ooh, this might be a better one.
Huh?
This might be a little better. Just a little bit. So when you got the right gear, like rain gear, and you know, you're warm, like I'm comfy fishing right now.
Yeah.
The weather, the rain and stuff doesn't really affect you, and you can get back to fishing.
Woo, starting to come down pretty good. Luckily got our rain gear. Josh doesn't have waterproof socks or waterproof shoes or anything, so his toes are about to fall off. So yeah, we'll catch a few more fish, and we're gonna cut this day short. This weather, it was saying like 20% chance. Yeah, more like 100% chance. Can't always count on the forecast, but we've already had probably 15 fish in the boat. I'm sure we'll be able to catch a few more before we get out of here, but you know, it's nice to just be able to sneak out for a few hours, if anything. But what do you think so far, Josh?
It's fun. I like it.
What'd you say?
I like it. Now we gotta go to the gym.
Josh likes to work out. He's a big, strong man.
So I better put my camera away, huh? So I better just let my camera get wet.
That was waterproof.
My camera? Oh, there's one. Got one. Ooh. There we go. Oh, I love it when they just pick up and run with it. When they do that, usually means there's like a school of them. They're trying to keep it away from their competition. No, that's probably number 8, 7 or 8 for me.
8 for you?
Something like that. How many you catch? 2, 3?
3.
Is that 3? You're what?
I'm ending on that cast.
End it.
On that cast.
Why?
It's a beautiful cast. I got to the coast.
Huh?
I hit the rock somewhere.
You gotta catch a fish. Oh. There we go. Got one. You got one too? Oh. Oh, come here, little fishy. Oh, he's a small guy. What?
He was pulling like a big one.
Yeah, he was. I got a real light rod. Just throwing I'll pick up a floating fly real quick and see if they'd eat it. And she did.
I'm hanging it up, little brother. I got 4 fishes. That's more money I've ever caught.
Huh?
That's more fish than I've ever caught before.
Okay, there we go. Not bad.
I'm gonna watch you. Can I step on this or no?
Yeah. Watch.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
See?
Whoa! I can watch you all day, bro.
The what? Your shoes?
You got one?
Yeah, I got one. See? Another little guy. You want to try it?
Working miracles.
This one's easy. You want to try it?
It's a nice one.
It's warm. Okay, you see it? Oh, did you see a fish just swiped at your bobber?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, reel, reel, reel. Reel. Oh.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh, damn.
About right there. Stop. Look at that, dude.
Big one, huh?
Ah, it's all right. Open your bill. Close it. Not bad. See if you can get another one.
You did 5.
5. There you go. Oh, he's a little guy.
Oh,
I was hoping to be a little bigger.
you have one though.
Come on.
Good job. 11 or 12.
At least. Might even be 15. See, little spotted bass. Catch them in the rain. Yeah, I'm just throwing a floating fly right here along these steep walls. Usually you can catch a decent amount of fish, but it's a lot of fun. What do you think, man? Getting about that time?
About that time to leave.
You are soaked,
Yeah.
drenched. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. It's gonna be a short and sweet one, but don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.